I recently posted a video on how to get gold notes on Instagram, but in one of the comments in that video, someone expressed their inability to get the gold notes effect even after having updated their app as I had instructed in the video. And therefore, I'm making this other video in order to clarify or express further on how you can get this gold notes effect in case you are unable to. So for those who are not yet aware, the introduction of the gold notes feature is due to the ongoing 2024 Paris Olympics. So this transformation of Instagram notes to gold is just part of the platform's initiative to celebrate the Paris Olympics in a way that, as athletes strive for gold medals in various events, the Instagram users can also join the celebration to cheer the artists by having their notes turn golden. Now for those of you who are unable to get the gold effect on your notes, what you have to note is that not all Instagram notes will automatically turn gold. This is because the platform has designed or programmed specific Olympic related keywords and emojis to trigger this golden effect. And as of now, it's still unclear whether this feature will only work during the Olympics or Instagram might prefer to extend it longer. And therefore, to have this golden effect in your notes, you have to include any of the following keywords or emojis that I'm going to mention in your notes, and that will be able to trigger this golden effect. So therefore, the first keyword that you can include in your notes to have a golden background is the word gold. So whenever you type your notes and you include that word in it, you will have a golden background in your notes. So the next word that you can use is the word Olympics. So the other one is Olympian. The next one is podium. The other is victory. And the next one is medal. The following one is goat. Also, the word torch that is used to describe the lighting of the Olympic cauldron can also be used. And you can also use the word such as closing ceremony, which will happen on August 11th. Now, in case you enter any of those keywords, you will have that golden background effect. But in case you don't know the spellings, you can just enter the emojis of the following. And that is an emoji of flashlight or torch. You can also enter an emoji of goat. You can also enter an emoji of the gold medal. Or you can just enter the medal emoji. So in case you include any of these in your notes, you'll automatically have that golden effect. So I hope this clarifies and answers questions on how to get the gold notes feature in your Instagram. So thanks for watching, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I hope to see you in the next video.